Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. Today's video is very important for any Chrome user. Today I'll be showing you how to install Adblock Plus, the free ad blocker to your Chrome browser. So stay tuned. So first thing first, how to install, how to find the extension at first place. So when you are in your new tab, just go to the application menu of Chrome. From there, go to extensions and click on visit Chrome Web Store. So this will take you up to this particular screen. Here type add block. Now there are multiple extensions with the same name, so it can be a little confusing for you all, but you have to look for this particular spelling adblock plus and from adblockplus.org. So click on this particular rectangle and from there click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension and that's it, your extension is now installed. Now if for any reason the extension is hidden, just note that you have to click on this icon and click on this pin button so it will appear continuously. So one small greeting from Adblock Plus. So some details about Adblock Plus. It is still open source and it was one of the original ad blockers, and it is quite good actually in its work. So now let us check whether this extension is working or not. Let's go to NBC's website. Let us see that whether it is successfully obstructing the ads or not. I think so. I'm not seeing any ads and it is working successful. Now, you might also want to know how to whitelist a particular website, because unfortunately there are now a lot of sites which will not allow you to browse their content if you have an ad blocker switched on. For them, do the following. So this one is the dreaded message which can come up like support journalism, blah blah blah, and you have to restrict your ad blocker for that. So for whitelisting, just click on the Adblock Plus icon up here, and you have to toggle the upper switch because the lower switch is for a particular page actually. So just to explain that, let us go to this particular page. Okay, now it will be better for you to understand. So now you're seeing that whether you want it to run, you want to pause it for the entire website or just for the page. So generally you will want to pause it for the entire website, of course. So just click on it and it will ask you whether you want to refresh instantly or not. You can click refresh from up here. And now for certain websites in which you want ads to come up, they will come up because of the whitelisting. So after whitelisting, you will start to see ads up here in the bottom and all. Just note that if you have whitelisted a particular web page, a website, then this icon will be, sort of disabled, will not glow in its normal color of red. So just keep that in mind. So now some advanced features of this extension. For that, you have to right click it and go to options. There are some more features like whether you want certain things like blocking push content or blocking the trackings and all. So it's up to you what you want to do with this. I want to highlight this acceptable ads toggle. So by default, show acceptable ads is switched on, remember. So this is basically, for ensuring that revenue is generated for all the creators who are not pushing annoying ads. So it's up to you whether you want to, disable it or not. So I will not judge you on that. So if you remember, we whitelisted a particular web page. So you can check that particular web page or number of web pages which we have whitelisted up from here in allow listed websites, section. In advanced, this one is not for everyone, but like the basic way in which any ad blocker works is it uses a filter list. So these are the two lists with which your Adblock Plus is starting to function. but if you want to add more, you can do it. It's up to you. This will increase, the amount of protection you get from annoying ads, but it could also slow down your computer, so remember that. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question regarding this extension, just write it down in the comment section and I'll make sure to answer it. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in a new video soon. Thank you. Bye.